P and Q are two workers. For every hour of work, P earns rupees 3 less than Q. The hourly earnings of P and Q are in the ratio 4:5. Find the total earnings of both on a day on which each works for 9 hours. Here, the hourly earnings ratio of P and Q is 4:5. So, we can take the hourly earnings of P as 4x and that of Q as 5x. And it is said that P earns rupees 3 less than Q. That means the difference between hourly earnings of P and Q is rupees 3. The difference between 4x and 5x, or it is 5x minus 4x, is x, which is equal to 3. And to find out total hourly earnings, you have to add 4x plus 5x. So 4x plus 5x is equal to 9x, which is the 1 hour earning. And the question is to find out 9 hours total earnings. So 9 into 9x, so it will be 81x. So answer will be equal to 81 into 3, that is equal to 243.